This is an electronic question and it is out of syllabus since the year 2008. Okay, now we have a NAND gate. A NAND gate will give an output of 0 when both inputs are 1. So this is considered a 0 input, and when it goes up, it's considered an input of 1. So this is 0, this is 1. Okay, so at this point, both the inputs are 1. So the NAND output should be 0. Then we trace, okay, this point, we have both input 1 again. So this is when we'll see an output of 0 on the NAND gate. And we trace again. This is the last part where we see both 1 on the input. So this will give a 0. So that means the NAND gate output, it should be a 1 throughout, except for this 3 point where you register a 0. So you look at the option right, we see that D is the correct answer. It is 1 throughout, and at this 3 position, it records 0, 0, and 0. This is a question on nuclear physics and it is out of syllabus since year 2008. So a sodium has got 11 protons, so the proton number is 11 and 12 neutrons. So the nuclear number is 23. So we are expecting to see a number 23 on top and 11 below. Answer C. Radioactive nuclides are added to paint to determine how well the pigment is mixed. Okay, so we take 1 liter of sample and we put it in thick steel cans and we try to record the radiation 30 cm from the can. So since this can is a thick steel can, we have to use the gamma ray. If not, it cannot pass through the thick steel cans. Okay, so it has to be gamma ray, and we want the half-life to be as short as possible, such that the radiation can decrease to a very low value when it is being brought to the store to sell to the end user. So the half-life has to be in days. So the answer should be C. This is a question on nuclear physics and it is out of syllabus since the year 2008. Okay, this is a recall question. So we need to know that gamma ray has the greatest penetrating power and alpha particles has the greatest ionizing power. So the answer should be C. This is a question on nuclear physics and it is out of syllabus since the year 2008. Alpha particle has got 2 protons. So when uranium decomposes to become thorium, it will lose 2 protons. And from thorium to protactinium, it loses 1 electron, and losing 1 electron is equivalent to gaining 1 proton. So the final proton number of protactinium, it should be 92 minus 2 plus 1. So it will be 91. Answer B.